Welcome to La Cuisine avec les autocuiseurs. Today we're making a simple yet elegant French classic, the Bouillabaisse Borgne, or blind bouillabaisse, a hearty fish broth served without the fish. This easy recipe uses a pressure cooker for speed, taking just 15 minutes of prep and 10 minutes of pressure cooking. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need.
Poached egg whites 2, potatoes 2, sliced, onions 2, thinly sliced, garlic cloves 2, tomatoes 2, quartered, Fennel Branch 1, Bouquet Garni 1, orange zest 1 piece, 2 or 3 strips, saffron strands 3 pinches, or a generous pinch, olive oil 1 tablespoon, salt and pepper to taste, water 2 cups, approx 50 centiliters, bread 4 slices for croutons/biscuits, chopped parsley 1 small bunch.
Step 1. We need our poached egg whites. Place the 2 egg whites into small heat-safe bowls. We're using a steam basket or insert, and poach them in the pressure cooker for 10 minutes. Once cooked, remove the egg whites and keep them warm.
While the egg whites are cooking, let's prepare the broth. In the pressure cooker, heat your tablespoon of olive oil. Gently fry the thinly sliced onions until they are soft and translucent, but not browned. Next, add the sliced potatoes, quartered tomatoes, and the garlic. Toss in the fennel branch, the bouquet garni, and the strips of orange zest. Pour in 2 cups of water, then season generously with salt and pepper, and sprinkle in 3 pinches of precious saffron. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 10 minutes once full pressure is reached.
While the broth is simmering, prepare your toasts or biscuits. Lightly brush the bread slices with a little olive oil, toast them until crisp, and if you like, rub them with a clove of fresh garlic for extra flavor. And make sure you have your fresh parsley finely chopped.
Our broth is ready. Open the cooker safely. The heart of this recipe is the clear, rich broth. We must strain it thoroughly, pressing down gently on the vegetables to extract all the flavorful liquid without making it cloudy. The heart of this recipe is the clear, rich broth. We must strain it thoroughly, pressing down gently on the vegetables to extract all the flavorful liquid without making it cloudy. Now, for the plating. Place the sliced potatoes and the poached egg whites, which we kept warm, in the bottom of your soup plates. Pour the hot, fragrant bouillon over the potatoes and eggs. Finally, garnish the plate with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and serve immediately with your toasted croutons on the side or directly in the soup. This Bouillabaisse Borgne is a simple, satisfying, and deeply flavorful French meal. Bon appétit!